Tuesday afternoon. She was fixing her hair, she caught me staring at the moon. She was new in town, about a week, maybe two, by herself eating lunch. I had to make my move so sly, so I reached inside, pulled out a line, and to my surprise, she said, next Friday night. She said, don't be shy.